Hello everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're doing very fine and taking good care of yourself. So welcome back to Learn Forward from Hi Kids by the Gap. In today's class, I will tell you how to make small and capital cursive T. This is very interesting, trust me. Let's start today's class. Okay, so quickly grab your pencils and your books. We're going to make this first small cursive T, okay? Let's start from here. Go up, make a loop, come down and make a small line, okay? Now, capital 1, start from here, make a baby line, loop, come down and go out, okay? Now, this is picture of a tree, T as in tree. We'll paste a picture of a tree here, okay? T as in tortoise, T as in tractor and T as in tiger, okay? Again, hurry up everyone. We will join these dotted lines now. Like this. Very nice. Now without turning these dotted lines, very nice. Now capital 1. Now without these dotted lines. Very nice. Now let's move on to the activity. See, now the letter in capital T we will color with orange, and where it's written small t, we have to color that part with purple crayons, okay? So first one, we will start with the capital 1, okay? So where is capital? Over here. We will fill this orange color, okay, like this. Now you have to find where it's capital T. Over here, over here, it's here, 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 here. So all these areas you will cover with orange color, okay? Now it's written small t, you will color that part with purple crayon, okay? That's so. This is your homework. You all will do this activity at your home, okay? That's it for today's class. We have learned about how to make small and capital cursive T. I hope you have learned this with me and you will practice this at your home. I will see you in the next class. Till then, bye bye everyone. Take care. Happy learning.